I'm looking for a civil engineering channel that not only covers softwares like AutoCAD, but also shares real-world practical tips. If that's what you are really looking for, don't worry, you are in the right place. Watch this video till the end and see how can I help you. Hi there, I'm Reza, a civil engineer passionate about teaching. In this channel, at first we are going to focus on learning AutoCAD 2025 from basic. Then, beside that, we will cover topics about civil engineering tips, real-world practical tips. So if you are a civil engineer, a student, or a professional, or you want to learn about civil engineering, you are in the right place. So if you want to level up your AutoCAD and civil engineering, write in the comments, I'm ready. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon. And like this video and share it with your friends, because your support will be a positive energy for us to continue these tutorials. Finally, welcome to Civil Engineering with Reza. We are here to learn together.